Cool. So we are into the next session. We have a bit of a design in place wherein we want yesterday decided key will show images of the excerpts. Even if someone types it, shares a text excerpt, will convert that also in image, or they can take a physical image as well. So now we have the format in place, and now let's look how can we release an MVP fast. So of course, going the code way is one way, which I think you really want to do. um, but yeah, maybe we can thoda explore if we can do it the code way. Um, because the reason is we don't know whether it will help our case or not, right?
Yeah.
So we want to iterate fast. Once we know ki this is something that that is helping more people read more, then we can invest there. Otherwise, I feel like code takes a lot of time, as well as it creates a dependency that is very hard for any other person to come in and edit. So let's see if we can do it by no code. Do you have an idea of the no code landscape?
I haven't made any production apps, so far I've used software for building landing pages on Go.
Got it.
And whatever data requirements are handled by Airtable itself. So those
Yeah.
are the
Yeah. So I think Airtable works for data. I think that is sorted. We have some schema already in place for that as well. Maybe
yeah.
once we start building, we'll show that too. So I think the main requirement that we want to start exploring is, can a no-code tool render dynamic URLs from Airtable itself? Uh,
Okay.
you want to share screen? We can start exploring that,
Yeah.
and then I'll let you lead this today.
You can see this, right?
Yes.
So what platform do we want to go ahead with? Either Bubble or software? Because I saw your tweet, so most of the replies were either Bubble or software, right?
Right. So maybe let's see a showcase of software and Bubble, and see if there are some websites whether there is the a dynamic page.
Bubble,
Yeah. Let's see if they have.
they have marketplace.
All right. So these are use cases. Let's see if they have like a showcase wherein we can open the links somewhere. Go down. Made with software. Let's see that. Maybe let's do इसमें से let's see कुछ.
So marketplace would have like all of those products listed, and each product should ideally have their own URL, right?
Let's see. Let's try to click one product.
We get details slash this long string.
Right. One issue that I've seen with software is, you see at the end there is a record ID
Mm-hmm.
/r/this. This is
Yeah.
the Airtable ID, and I feel
Okay.
like this is not This is not a cool. This is not a clean URL.
Mhm. Right.
Maybe let's see bubble. Bubble may is this possible?
Go to the home page.
Let's try showcase.
You got a filter here. Maybe this can have profiles of the founder.
Yep, let's see that.
We connect to a different website.
Okay.
This one is on the same one, and the URL is clean as well.
This feels like a dynamic page.
I think this is good enough for you. Maybe let's see some of other software projects as well.
Actually, maybe we can try just creating an app in Bubble and let's see if we can pull it from Airtable.
Sure.
Have you used Bubble before?
I was just trying to fiddle around. So
Okay.
I haven't built anything so far. So should we go again on this one or should I create one from scratch?
What?
Should I create an app from scratch?
Yeah. This is the one that you're already trying, right? The previous
Yeah,
one.
this one I was just trying it, just learning the basics of it.
ठीक है, yeah, we can start from scratch.
Or maybe we can have a look at the templates. That would be even faster for us.
Hmm.
Is it a fat or a social network?
Let's do. Oh, interesting. Yeah.
Sorry?
Let's do SAS. Let's.
As to optional to the external.
Yeah.
That's sort of business idea.
Yep. Works.
Oh, that was explore. Okay.
Uh yeah. Let's start the template. Will tell us things faster. Can we see if we have like something like a SaaS or a social media template?
That's social. Personal social network. Mhm.
Interesting. I like this. I just want to know where's this data coming from.
You can't click on the profile.
What word?
I cannot click on the profile. So if I want to see the profile, social media like Instagram.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that is what we need. This would be fun.
This is the full-fledged clone.
Yeah, yeah. Let's.
Oh, we are getting a profile page as well.
Interesting. Let's see this database. Let's clone this. Let's see how this is stored, where these numbers are coming from. Yeah, let's just clone this.
How do I remove this thing?
How do you do what?
I remove the doc.
Which doc?
The one that comes with Zoom.
I missed. Can you repeat?
The doc that comes with Zoom. So we have a doc at the top, right? For Zoom.
It's breaking. I'm not able to
Oh,
understand.
I could remove it. So I can use this simple. This one.
I like the copy. This template is now yours. Okay, let's create a new one. Let's go to my apps. All right, some technical issues. Will be back in a bit. Let's create an app from the next tab.
We need to clone someone here, right?
No, I think this we have already bought, right? So good home in the bubble. Next tab.
Just a second.
Click on create an app. Select the drop down. There should be a template here.
Oh, right, right.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is here. The data is, I think, that custom database which comes with bubble.
Okay. Let's see in the user profile. So there was a page we saw जहाँ पे there was a number on the profile, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can change that.
I think that would be the profile page, right?
Right. I think let's see the data for this. So what is the schema in the profile? Select the user profile. We have bio. I think we have this username. I think this might be click on app data. Maybe it shows some all user profile. Okay, there's no user profile now. Maybe we create a preview. Let's create a profile. Let's create it by the app itself. Let's
Okay.
create a preview. Let's go to preview on the top right.
So when it doesn't have any data, it just shows all the default elements.
Got it. See if there's a link to a homepage there. Yeah, there should be sign up somewhere. Oh, we need to get a paid plan to deploy this.
So we need the version set.
Got it. Let's sign up.
Oh, so I follow myself and I get myself as a follower too.
Got it. Go back to the main profile page. In the demo itself, go to the main profile page. So this URL that is coming is the URL / version test will be removed when we go live. And profile page is the page name. So I'm assuming that would be changed as well. And there's this number 16659, this one. Let's go to the database now and let's see if we change that. Does this get changed as well?
Where do we find that?
Just click on edit. There's a first row. Go to app data. In the row in the left, click on edit.
Oh, the unique ID.
Unique ID. Yeah. Let's
What
just
if I give it a slug?
what?
If I give it a slug,
Oh,
should it still?
interesting. Interesting. Let's try that.
No, doesn't work.
The whole point of having slug is that only. Interesting. What if we change the unique ID itself? What if we instead of that big number, we just put verb in the unique ID?
Yeah, can't change the unique ID.
Array. Uh, okay. Okay. And user profile. Got it.
So they did the followers and save.
Yeah, this
That is,
number does not work. This does not look good.
hmm. So let's see how is it generating the URL.
Okay, let's see that page. Maybe you can go to the design of that particular page.
Yeah, it's the profile page itself, right?
Yeah.
Search for endpoint count and show the count.
Are there some page properties? like some global properties somewhere. I don't know. This UI feels like there's a lot of information thrown together. Not
Yeah. So
intuitive at all.
these are the dynamic properties that we are getting from the database.
Got it. Got it. What are
Should
these
I do
settings? Like, are there
sorry?
like any page settings wherein we can see how the page URL is built?
That I have to find.
So what is settings in the left? Is it page setting? Is it global settings?
It's global settings.
Acha, and got it. Let's go back to design. What else we can see? Um,
I think
so,
that should be handled by the workflow.
workflow is I think interactivity. When this is clicked,
Okay.
then you do this. Um, but when that page loads, when the user profile loads, what is or how it is rendered, I think it should that logic be in that particular page itself.
Mhm. Makes sense.
What is the edit button in the top? Oh, okay. Uh, is there a right click? What happens when you right click? Like I feel like I should have done like a bubble tutorial or something. I feel very lost here.
Page static,
Oh,
my
okay.
page.
Okay. How
Okay.
did this come?
I just right clicked on this.
Okay, okay. Let's see what is layout, what is conditional.
Type of content is a user. Backup field for URL.
Okay.
Can't do anything.
So what is a user? Can you go back to a database? What is a user?
Nothing.
Oh, slug. Let's add slug here.
Right.
Oh, interesting, interesting. Let's see.
Now maybe we should have it on. Oh yeah, works.
Awesome, awesome. This works. Cool. We have some progress. Like I was about to give up on Bubble just about now, but okay. So if you just have to make, and is there a way for a user to edit this from the UI itself?
The slug.
Um, Click on edit profile.
Yeah. So basically the username should be mapped to the slug, right?
Yeah, just edit this. Maybe just add something here in the username.
There's a save button.
I think top right.
Okay. That just change it over here. The
Okay.
slug is still the same. So maybe that should be on the sign up workflow, right? So
Yeah.
when we
It
get
feels
the
like a lot
username.
of work for a no code tool. Like I feel
Hmm.
like अगर इतना सारा सोचना पड़ रहा है तो फिर we might just go the code way.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, this does not look super helpful. Maybe we can try just spend a few minutes on Webflow. I think these are the two main choices. Um,
Okay.
Software may we saw the limitation and yeah, these are the two bubble and Webflow. Let's see if we can find a template for this as well. Wow, wow, what is this copy, man? The site you want without the dev time.
Should I sign up or should we look at the showcase first?
Yeah, let's do showcase.
This is the showcase.
Okay. Which one do you think might be the made in Webflow? Yeah, let's open this.
Where do I say maybe move to?
The second column first.
Oh, e-commerce would fit. So every product has its own slug, right?
Yep, yep. E-commerce and CMS also should work. Yeah, let's see e-commerce first.
This is a video.
What? Go down. I think there should be a link. Yeah, open live site.
I think that is the landing page with a video.
Pretty cool. Okay, let's see if there are dynamic pages.
So it's slash show and this should be awesome.
Awesome. Let's clone this. Let's see this database.
How do I go?
Oh,
I need to sign up, I think.
oh, I think it is like find similar templates. I don't think this is a template. This is a showcase.
Uh,
And then we need to find templates. Let's do, yeah, either e-commerce or CMS. Overall, I like the vibe of Webflow. This feels like the design is better. Oh, these are paid
paid.
templates. Oh my God.
Yep.
This is pretty expensive. Let's see if we can find some free ones.
There should be an option to filter out the fee.
There should be, yes. Okay, I think that this the first one is free. Let's open this.
What's wrong?
Let's do place an order. Let's see if there are. Oh, are there not
Yeah, we
usual
get
detail pages are there? Perfect. I think let's just clone this. Let's see this database. I think we might have a winner here.
I've never used Webflow before. What happened? How can it be invalid on what?
You signed in with Google, right?
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh. They used to, there's a meme, right, on Windows error pop-up. The action failed successfully. So what do we do? We have another account. Maybe try the other Google account. Do you have any pop-up blockers, something? Tracking.
This works.
Oh,
This
this
works.
worked. This worked. Great.
And then developer.
Making it pop.
So this is not the cloned one, right?
No, I think we have cloned it. No. Acha, acha, nahi, this is not clone. Yeah, yeah. This is not clone.
I stopped sharing.
Yeah.
What is this? Which one was that?
How do we use this?
Charm.
Okay. Nice. I like the default things. It's like
And
Bob's
groovy side.
groovy side.
That's
It's pretty cool. Making it pop.
the user experience is really good on this one
Yeah.
as compared to Bubble.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's go to the database. Let's see how it is laid out. Uh,
Isn't there a database by default?
it should be. Yeah, maybe click on e-com.
Oh, it's on the e-commerce part.
Oh, then maybe we need to clone something else. We need to
Mhm.
create, we need to clone a CMS then.
Yeah, you enable site for you. So we can actually clone these.
Yeah.
Or maybe just get something related to books. So we can make use of the colors for our landing page also, right?
Hmm. I think for now I'm not too concerned with colors because with those things can be iterated on, but the
Mhm.
the main crux of the current exploration is how well it can integrate with Airtable. So that
Mhm.
uh, yeah, I think once that is in place, even we can have like multiple templates if we want for the user. Yeah.
So I think even this one is using its own database rather than getting it from Airtable.
Let's see it. Let's clone something so that we'll get a better clarity.
CMS. Data website. So NAS Studio is also minimalist.
So there's a website Hidden Heroes. I feel there should be individual pages of multiple heroes. Maybe go left. Just click on find similar templates. I think this is like a showcase, and then when you click on find similar templates on this page, you'll find templates. Yeah, I think either let's click on CMS in the top filter.
But it is showing the paid one.
Let's um, have you filtered CMS?
Yeah, I clicked on see. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, let's just scroll down. Maybe we'll find one free one.
there should be an option. Right. Maybe click on free and then go to premium.
Okay.
Five. Should be premium.
Okay, I think let's go back to free, and there's symbols in the top and the bottom thing where the database is there. Um,
Luma.
Retail. This is retail actually. Let's go down. Retail would again come under e-commerce. I feel fashion, business, business starter. Interesting.
Full starter would
Go
also be
down.
e-commerce.
Like if there's a blog or something like that, I think that would be the perfect. There should be a
Perfect.
database for that.
Mm-hmm.
Go
Good.
down, go down. Yeah, notable. Let's try this. This feels like, yeah, a good use
Blog
case.
was there.
Yeah, let's use it. Let's.
Even the UI is very nice.
Yeah. This feels
Let's
like,
try it.
yeah, very nice. Let's open one.
We get the club.
Oh,
Let's
lovely.
use
Post
this one.
slash. Yeah, this is something. This is what we need. Let's use it.
Trendy site.
Yeah, create. I am like in love with this thing. जो है would like let's just use it. Let's go to database. Nice. Let's explore this. Nice.
I think we need to create our own tables,
Uh,
right?
let's see. Let's explore. Let's open this Japan house. Can we open this? Nice. Let's change the slug. Yeah, let's call it Wahab. Let's remove everything. Let's just start your name. Let's see how that looks. I feel like it's showing the preview below, so I feel it should work. Let's see.
How do I see the right review?
Just click on database again. No. Yeah.
This is the editor, right? Like the live URL.
Go to yeah.
We need to
Just
publish.
publish. This is so easy. Like Bubble was like, "Arey, you should upgrade." Yeah. Oh. All right.
The
Moment of
animation
truth.
is click.
Just
Let's
click on the
go.
first one. I think the
Yeah,
first
yeah.
one is only right.
This thing. Like we have a home.
Cool. I think this is what we need now. we need to, so from a design perspective, I think we can go crazy in this, we can iterate on this.
Hmm.
From a technical perspective, now we need to get Airtable data into this.
Hmm.
So maybe we can just search for how easy it is for,
Webflow Airtable integration.
yeah, we just need to search that. I think if we find a way for this, then we are sort of done from an exploration perspective.
I think so, Zapier. We need a middle layer, I guess.
Okay.
Zapier or Make. Maybe.
Have you used Zapier or Make?
Yeah, I've used Zapier.
What is the pricing of both?
I have to see. Webflow.
But is there a way for like directly importing, like without a middle layer?
I don't think so. Then there should have been a direct integration over here, right?
Maybe if we just search for like Webflow, Airtable official integration, something like that.
The first link comes for Zapier. Then there is this one.
Airtable integration. Let's see if there's an integration in Webflow directly. Not this. The one link before that, that was of Airtable itself.
Yeah, so that one was this one. This page itself.
Acha, oh. So there's no Webflow here.
You know.
ठीक है.
Okay, so this one is saying that I embed the Airtable form itself on Webflow.
What?
I embed the Airtable form on Webflow. So I won't be able to get the data, just the form view from Airtable.
नहीं, but form से क्या होगा? I didn't understand this.
Uh, so the data will be saved in Airtable.
But we need the data
Yeah,
back
we
from
need the
Airtable into
data.
profile.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
I think we need to make use of the official database of Webflow itself. We'll need to create this, and if there are initial data, we have to migrate manually. And इसके बाद whatever data comes, we just directly add it to Workflow's database.
But then we'll be like logged in to this thing. I would rather prefer like keeping it independently in Airtable, because from a backend perspective, Airtable provides everything we need from backend. It has a bunch of formulae, and they keep adding new stuff.
Right.
And there is automations as well in Airtable if you want to do some calculations and stuff. So let's say if you want to add badges or calculate streaks
Hmm.
every day, things like that. So I think Airtable पे ही रखना चाहिए, and then there needs to be a one-way sync from Airtable to Webflow. Um,
So we can set up an automation on Zapier. So whenever there is a data added on Airtable,
mhm,
we push that data onto this, like we copy the data over here, maybe.
got it. And let's just check the pricing once.
$100 per month.
What is a task?
A task is like an auto, like whatever actions we ask it to do. Actually,
So when we like post three different excerpts, would it be like three different tasks?
I think that is one task. Posting an excerpt is a task.
Posting an excerpt is a task. So let's say we have 30 people in a month and they're doing one excerpt every day, to 30 excerpts. So we have like 900 excerpts a month. Um, so we're saying we'll need the what's the drop down in the starter pack? Let's click on the drop down, 750, 750 and 1.5. So 900 hai, to we'll go for the next one. So it will be about 3000 per month. Hmm.
I'm not sure if that is a task or like posting an excerpt is a task. So not individual post, but the action of posting an excerpt. Let's try maybe.
What? I didn't get you.
The action of posting an excerpt is a task in a app. Like
Got it. So that's what I'm saying, right? Then there would be like 900 tasks minimum, or an
no
average.
no 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 no. The action is one, right? Posting an excerpt is an action. So posting an excerpt is a task, and then copying that excerpt from a table to Webflow database is a task maybe.
Acha, I didn't understand. Can you like in our scenario, can you calculate how many tasks would it be?
A couple of tasks. So one Zap and a couple of tasks.
So we have like 30 people and 30 excerpts per person, right? So how many
Mhm.
tasks would there be for a month?
So that won't be the task. That would be like the data that we are given. Like the task is that they are uploading. That is the task. They are logging in the excerpt, not the excerpt itself.
Correct. So what is the number of tasks कितने होंगे? One होगा, 10 होगा.
One. One.
So you're saying this will be like one task.
We want add table. The event is when a new record. Okay. So whenever there is a new record over there, we can create an item over here.
Correct. So whenever there's a new record, it will be a new task, right?
Mm, I'm not sure. Let's try because what I'm thinking is this one is a task, new record in a table, and this one is a task,
Can
create
we
an
can,
item.
can
So
we just
that accounts to only
search
two
for
tasks.
Zapier pricing example? I think it will just maybe tell us an example.
This is the size and it's
So these are ads. Go down.
what a task and how many going. A task is counted every time one tap successfully. Okay, no, so that won't work for us. Your understanding was right. That would be 900 tasks.
Got it. And then anytime if it is updated, let's say if I'm updating my username or doing
Hmm.
anything, that also would be a new task. Let's say if
New
I'm
task, right?
instead of one excerpt, I choose to do five excerpts in a day, those would be like five new tasks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. What are some other ways to get data into Webflow? Maybe you can search for that. Uh, if we can, is there a way to like maybe upload a CSV or something so we can do it that way? Oh, nice. What is this? What is power importer? What is price? Oh, actually, this is just a table to Webflow. Let's see this pricing.
Only
50
50,
items.
500, 2000.
Got it. Got it. Uh, $30. This is like cheaper than Zapier, right?
Hmm.
Got it. ठीक है. I think I like this one because it is like very clearly meant for a use case. So we won't have to do much here. Like Zapier, we have to, uh, I think,
Even
define
Zapier is easy.
what.
Even Zapier is easy. Like we just have to map that whenever I
नहीं
record a
नहीं नहीं.
log in the
So नहीं ना. So if you go back to create Zap, go to create, go to the left tab, जहाँ पे you are making a Zap. Just take tab पहले. हाँ. Go
hmm,
up. New record in Airtable. Go up. So यहाँ पे choose app and event. Go up. You don't need to sign in. Don't need to sign in अभी. So अभी new record में this is one task जहाँ पे will update to Webflow. Then when it is updated, then we have to again set something up. So I feel like we have to handle a lot of cases here. Versus in Power Importer, we'll just say that this is my Airtable, this is my Webflow, just keep them in sync. So since they don't charge on the basis of
they, they charge on the basis of items, right? Only 50 CMS items you can have.
So
I
good
think
thing that I now like is, so abhi we have webflow.io पे 50 items, and would excerpt count as a new item, or would it come under user only?
it would count as a new item. So item would be the uh, rows in the database, right? Rather than columns in database.
Yeah, makes sense. So go back to the pricing then.
Then Zapier is cheaper. It's 19 for 750. But task, not uh,
Go back to Power Import. Acha, so we'll not have 500 as we'll have like 900 CMS items. So we'll have to go to $49.
hmm.
Acha, this will be even decide. Maybe since this is free for webflow.io, maybe let's get a uh, like a MVP in place with these things. So Webflow, it is also giving us this. Uh, it is allowing us to deploy for free, and this is also syncing the first 50 items for free. So we can just pick up each of our profiles, and just we can make whatever url.webflow.io/profile slash our names. We can get our profile in place. Yeah, I think maybe we can start with that. We'll get a good idea of how it looks like.
Yeah,
We'll also get feedback from the community members on this.
okay. Um, I think we should go with Webflow, Zapier, right?
Yeah, so what I'm saying is that we can get the layout in Webflow
Hmm.
done. Zapier versus Power Importer is anyway transparent. Like the user does not need to know about this, right?
Hmm.
So we can start with Power Importer because it is free for 50 items, and we don't need to set up Zapier for now. unless we actually deploy as in we make it like we
Mm.
get all the current community members on board. We don't need Zapier till then. So what I'm just saying for now, like it's 15 days, right? In the October. So we would have like 15 excerpts each, and we'll get Ankita as well. So we'll have like 45 CMS items at max. So we can just create our three profiles on this on Webflow.
But the profile itself will count as an item as well, so we need to add that as well.
So plus three, so 48.
Okay, just the three of us.
Right.
Okay.
So we'll have a good idea of, hey, this is how the profile looks like. And the best part is we can then also involve community members and get their early opinions on whether they like it, don't like it, versus if we build for like 1 month or so and then show it, versus we can get a quick layout in place and then we
Right.
can just involve them in the build process. Well, what are
Mm.
thoughts?
Yeah, that makes sense.
ठीक है. So then let's go with Webflow.
Yeah.
Um,
Power import of webflow and attribute.
yeah. Maybe let's go to Webflow again. Let's quickly we can maybe play a bunch, play around a bit just to see the layout and how it looks.
Yeah. So the CMS collection should be users and logs, right?
Yeah, and books will also be there.
Okay, so this is so what's the significance of this one? Why can't we have this on the log itself?
So let's say if we um so so one thing is that multiple people can read the same book,
Hmm.
and if we have to add any metadata to a book, let's say if you want to add author, let's say we want to add a Goodreads link, let's say we want to add a checkout on Amazon or a Kindle or an Audible link, we can have that at one place.
Okay.
So that is why I thought we can keep it different. And also once the book is created, whenever you want to log, then you can just select it from a drop down. So that also makes it easier instead of typing the name every time.
Yeah, makes sense.
Cool. So let's go to Webflow.
This is user.
Hey, you don't need to do this, no? I think this will be automatically synced by Power Importer.
Oh, right.
Acha, it was mentioned simply map your fields and create click on sync. Yeah, we'll need to create.
Mhm. Let's just see how does it work.
Yeah.
Doesn't it
What is
work?
this friendly captcha verifying you're a human? Mustafa की था ये. Oh man, I think you should update this password now after the call.
Yeah.
I think maybe yeah, we can stop it now. Like I'm not sure how. Um, should we stream sensitive things? Because otherwise we have to edit the video later, and that would be like a lot of effort.
We can basically change our passwords everywhere, right? On
हाँ,
all the platforms.
true. But फिर कहीं API key भी आ जाएगा, तो then we'll have to also change those. Table
Hmm.
में keys होगा, and then yeah, there's a lot of, like, I feel there's a lot of downside and not enough upside. Um,
Yeah.
I'll stop recording now. I think we have the overall workflow in place,
Yeah.
and cool. So